Hey everyone, welcome back to our ACLS review series, the perfect way to stay sharp, stay confident, and stay ready. Whether you're preparing for your ACLS certification or just want to keep your skills fresh, this is the place to be. We're diving into just 3 questions per video, quick, focused, and high yield. Let's get sharper together. Number 1. To determine the proper size of oppa, we measure from where to where. Right answer, corner of mouth to angle of mandible. Number 2. The downslope of the capnography wave corresponds to which phase of respiration? Right answer, inspiration. Number 3. If it is 2 rescuers performing BLS on an unresponsive infant/child, what is the sequence of steps that you will perform? Right answer, tap and shout, check for response. Check brachial pulse and breathing rescuer performs 2 minutes of CPR 32, while the other rescuer gets the AED and calls for help. Resume CPR 15-2. ACLS? Get the full guide here. Read the ACLS book. Printable ACLS all-in-one algorithm summary designed for quick reference during emergencies. It covers key protocols including cardiac arrest, bradycardia, tachycardia, and post-arrest care. Perfect for students, providers, and code teams seeking a clear, fast-access guide to ACLS essentials in one streamlined format. Download the all-in-one summary printable. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Install the ACLS app on your phone. To access all these tools today, visit aclsstudyguide.com. Thanks for watching the video.